Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find help on the Toy Blast application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. If you want to find any help about the game, just go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the support option under the music. Click that, and in this site you can find the frequently asked questions, and you can find different information about how to play with the Toy Blast app and others info. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.